So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? Mr. Chen's lawn grows 2 1/8 inches every 2 weeks. He mows his lawn every 2 weeks and cuts off the top 1 3/4. If Mr. Chen's lawn was 4 inches, how many inches tall in decimal form is his lawn after 8 weeks? So it's 4 plus 4 times 17/8 minus 14/8, which is equal to 4 plus 3/2. And the answer is 5.5. How was I able to do this problem so fast? This problem is pretty long, both in terms of reading it, it's like a pretty extensive word problem, and also the mathematical arithmetic solution. So we start with 4 inches, right? So this lawn is 4 inches, so this is 4. Now what happens is it grows every 2 weeks by 2 1/8. So it goes up by 2 1/8, and then it goes down by 1 3/4 because he cuts it down. So this is 1 3/4, and whatever is that remaining thing, let me just change the color. Whatever is that remaining piece here gets added. That remaining piece gets added 4 times. Why 4 times? Because we need to find out the length after 8 weeks, and then this whole dynamic of 2 1/8 and 1 3/4 is every 2 weeks. So therefore, this dynamic happens 4 times. So therefore, our starting point is 4 inches, right? This 4 inches is our starting point, so that's a start. Then we have 4 periods. 8 weeks over 2 weeks, that's 4 periods. Multiplied by 2 1/8 minus 1 3/4. Now, if you're able to calculate this fast, we're able to solve the problem fast. How do I recommend solving this problem? So we keep it as 4 plus 4. Now let's turn everything into improper decimals. So 2 1/8, that's 17/8. 1 3/4, that's minus 7/4, right? Now, if you multiply this by 2 over 2 to get to the common denominator, we get 4 plus 4 times 17/8 minus 14/8, which is equal to 4 plus 4 times 3/8. Now this is 4 over 1, so we get 4 plus 12/8, right? Or 4 plus 3/2. Now that's the same thing as 4 plus 1 1/2, which is 5 1/2. However, this answer is not going to be counted because we need a decimal form. So 5 1/2 needs to be converted to 5.5, which is our final answer. That's it.